Okay. Uh-oh, my eyelash. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to Brittany Made It Season 2. I am Brittany. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for rocking with me, keeping up with me, watching my Instagram at Brittany Made It, BRITTANYMADEIT _ at the end. And definitely just want to say thank you for just keeping up with me, sending me recipes, and just wondering why am I not recording. But summertime, you know, birthday coming up, so I'm definitely going to be making some drinks leading up to that. I had a couple of requests for my spaghetti squash, so I'm going to make that and show you different ways how I make that and how, you know, I've kind of incorporated that into my diet-ish in a way. This should be really fun this summer.